the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos, Jr. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are gathered here today for the Iisang Nasyon, Iisang Aksyon, Tapusin ang Osay Nayon Summit 2024. May we call on Attorney Samson Inocencio Jr., National Director of International Justice Mission Philippines, for his welcome remarks and overview of the Report Osay campaign with audiovisual presentation.
His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President, Republic of the Philippines, esteemed members of the Cabinet, leaders from both national and local government units, our partners in the fight against online sexual abuse or exploitation of children, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Mr. President, thank you for your presence and for rallying the Filipino nation to end online sexual abuse or exploitation of children once and for